This is going to be a pretty quick review of the Presto 07072 Slimline Griddle, the 22-inch. We got this a few years ago because our kitchen gets so hot in the summer that we need a way we can cook food inside without heating up our whole house. But we also don't have a lot of storage space, so we were looking for something exactly like this that's low profile, so it's easy to store, still has a large cooktop so we can make a lot of food in a short amount of time, but it won't radiate a lot of heat like a stovetop or the oven would. So far, we've been really pleased with it. As you can tell, the surface has held up really well to a lot of use. We typically use this every day during the summer. And I just wanted to show how I'm able to store it because it's less than 2 inches tall. It has a really low profile. So that's one of my favorite things about it. If you're looking for something that will be easy to store, I think this griddle is a great choice.